Before we get into today's story, a quick correction from our last video. We reported that Warren Buffett made the $10 billion bet on Google. That was incorrect. It was actually Greg Abel, Buffett's successor as Berkshire Hathaway CEO, who made that call. We take accuracy seriously, and we wanted to set the record straight. Now, Apple just handed Google the keys to your iPhone, and what happened next will completely change how you think about the world's most valuable company. My name is Elsie Skye. This is Roussaux Pulse. Let's get into it. At WWDC 2026, Apple unveiled a completely rebuilt Siri powered by Google's Gemini AI. Apple is paying Google approximately $1 billion a year for a custom 1.2 trillion parameter Gemini model. Can you imagine? The world's most valuable company, worth over $4.5 trillion, couldn't build a good enough AI themselves, so they called their biggest rival. Here's how it works. Simple Siri requests stay on your device. Bigger tasks go to Apple's private cloud. And the heaviest AI processing, that gets routed directly to Google servers. So when you ask Siri something complex, Google is literally thinking for your iPhone. And there's one more twist. This was Tim Cook's final WWDC as Apple CEO. He steps down September 1st. And his last act was admitting Apple couldn't win the AI race alone. For users, a smarter Siri is finally here. For Apple's legacy, this is the most humbling moment in their history. I'm Elsie Skye, and this is your pulse on what's viral. Hit subscribe and never miss a move.